Good morning, everyone. My name is Mike Bird. This is the WMU Cooley Law Library Minute. In this series, we'll be talking about various study aids and secondary sources that exist at the library to assist you in your academic success. In today's video, I kind of want to take a detour from the print resources that we've been talking about so far to talk about an audio study aid that exists to assist you if you are so inclined. It's called the Sum and Substance series. Sum and Substance is a long-running series of audio study guides covering a plethora of law school subjects. The format is fairly simple and consistent. A well-known professor of the subject narrates their personal rundown of the topic in a recording that spans anywhere from 5 to 10 compact discs. Obviously, the format doesn't lend itself to some of the hallmarks we'd expect in print, like footnotes, case or rule citations, sample questions, visual outlines, and the like. It's just a luminary of the subject speaking to you, the listener, about what you need to take away from the subject. I admit I'm a little hesitant to present Sum and Substance as an answer to the problem of learning the law for these reasons, and also because WMU Cooley's copies are reserve only, and thus for in-library use only. However, you should be aware that these resources exist, both Sum and Substance and a similar series called Law School Legends, which WMU Cooley does not collect for all campuses. And it can be a great way to process the material you've picked up from your classes and assigned reading. When I was starting law school, I found it helpful to throw on Sum and Substance after I was done with my assigned reading for the night, when I was just going around the house doing chores, doing dishes or working out, and just sort of let the ideas that I covered in my reading and in class that day kind of percolate around my mind when I was doing something else. In this way, I not only managed to stay on top of my studies, but managed to maintain them as I was managing the rest of my life. I'm not going to say that I aced law school because I used Sum and Substance along the way, but it definitely led to a few aha moments, especially when I was first starting out. I think there's a lot of value in terms of studying by just allowing things to process, and I think that Sum and Substance does a great job of assisting that process. So it might not be for you, it might not be for, I wouldn't say it was for everyone, but if it sounds like it's something that you might be interested in, before you take the plunge and buy them yourself, it might be worth your time to come down to the library and check them out. So that concludes our video for today. I hope you've enjoyed these so far. We've got one more video left after this. Please check back next week, and I'll see you then.